Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Annette.
And this is our Chase for Adventure
on Tonsai Beach, Thailand. Hi guys. After almost a week of Daniel and I just kind of workationing, catching up on updating our website, catching up on editing some videos for you guys, today we're finally doing something. Today we're going to get on a boat. We're going to go to Railay Beach, which is one of the beaches that's really close here in Krabi, but it's connected to land, but it's separated by these giant mountains. So the only way to get there is by boat. Then we're gonna hopefully be going to another part of the island called Tonsai. And then we're gonna plan to see some cool temples, a cool lagoon, maybe do some hiking, and we're really excited to show you guys around. To get to Railay from Onang, you actually have to get one of the long tail boats, and it costs 100 baht per person per way. But we actually found a couple, because typically you have to wait until a boat is filled with 8 people. We found a couple who's actually willing to split the price with us, that we actually are able to go now instead of waiting for people. So we're gonna be going to Railay!
Not a clue what's happening. Right now, we thought we were about to leave the bay, but now we're stopping. But it looks like we're either getting parts from another boat or we're getting another boat. Let's wait and see. Sorry.
Oh, you're
you're fine.
We've made it to Railay. Railay actually has a few parts that we're about to explore today. The one that we're currently in is called West Railay, and it's where most of the boats will drop you off. You'll have a really beautiful backdrop of the limestone cliffs that are around us. Where we're headed next is actually a place called East Railay. We're actually going to be looking to see if we can stay in one of the bungalows there, because you can actually see bioluminescent plankton right on this beach in the nighttime. And then after we go to East Railay, we're going to be going to Tonsai, which is the area that has like the bars and the restaurants, because we are going to have to fill up our fuel tanks kind of soon. There is also a viewpoint from the cliffside behind me. There's a lagoon, and then there's also a cave that we're going to be showing you guys. But for right now, East Railay it is.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.
We were going to go to Railay East, but Tonsai is actually really close to here versus walking 50 minutes that way, only to walk an hour back. But we've also learned that to get to Tonsai, we actually have to hike through that mountain back there. This reminds me of climbing Mount Fuji. Did I tell you that I had a dream that we climbed not just Mount Fuji, but another mountain as well?
Nope. Can I veto your dream?
This is so cool! You go up that way or down this? No, it definitely looks like up this way. I feel like Indiana Jones. This is harder than I thought. So Tonsai is beautiful. We went through a pretty cool hike to get through here, like you guys were able to see. Everywhere around you, there's a bunch of really tall cliffs, and people are rock climbing literally behind us. The water and the sand isn't as soft or as clear as I would say as Railay is, but if you want to go looking for seashells, this is the place to do it. I literally just found this like in front of me, like this. At the end of a very shelly beach, you'll actually find a road that leads you to, I guess, Tonsai's like main road. So that's actually where we're headed now. You'll know you're in the right place if you see all of the longboats and if you see just walls of graffiti. throw your ego all over the wall. We spotted a monkey. Look at it. You know you're in the Thai jungle when? Oh.
Oh, he's just over there chilling.
Nope.
Nope. And we walk.
Is he following us still?
Yep.
Is it really?
We don't have to walk. What was that in there?
We're getting followed by monkeys.
Time to keep walking.
Is it still following us?
Slowly. Oh, there's like 5 of them.
No.
They're starting to gather.
It's like Planet of the Apes. We came to a family restaurant that has a ton of Thai food, and it's really crazy and weird here, guys. It's so empty. We literally thought that the whole town had been closed down until you like walk, and I asked Daniel, is it open? Is like anything here open? And then you hear from the inside, it's open, open. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, we're gonna get food. I ordered a garlic pepper chicken with some rice, and this looks like it has a lot of fried garlic that's been crispy with onions and almost like a soup. Let's see.
We're gonna go ahead and dig in, and we'll see you guys after.
So we just finished eating at that bungalow place that we had showed you, and it was absolutely delicious. Now we're going through what looks like the little main street. Honestly, because this is low season, it's almost like it's deserted. It's just Daniel and I, and then our new friend Federico behind us, and we're just exploring, and literally there is not a soul here. Kind of cool though. So me and my pal Unicorn are just having a dandy old day here on Tonsai, and then this one over here is trying to wreck the game, and I don't like it.
Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regrets.
Wow.
And it looks like people do like bonfires here. Yeah. We literally were just walking back to our boat and stumbled upon a cave. So cool. Look at all of this. La semana pasada. That was cool. We are leaving Tonsai. I'm really sad because I've really liked it here. But now we're going to be going to West Railay because that's where we're gonna have a higher chance of catching our boat. So that you guys know, when you plan your trip over to the Railay Tonsai area, you have to actually fill up a whole boat, or you end up having to pay the whole boat by yourself. And so we're gonna try and get that boat before 6 o'clock and before high tide, because then we can no longer use this trail. Probably.
So after having the scariest boat experience I've ever had in my life, and I'm pretty sure Annette can say the same, we finally dropped off all the stuff back at our hotel room. So now we're gonna go grab some food.
We had a little trouble grabbing a boat back. Turns out, at first I think it may have been my fault because I told the guy, oh hey, I found like 2 other people. And he's like, I'm doing my job. You do your job. I was like, okay, great. So I just went back. And then the other couple that was waiting for the boat with us went back to, I guess, go tell him off. Well, then he didn't want to take us back and just left us waiting there. And given, I'm not agreeing with her telling him off, but she had been waiting there for like 40 minutes and he had just not been cooperative. Anyway, just keep that in mind. Buy the return ticket. For the love of goodness gracious, you're never gonna have wanted a return ticket more. Just do it. And now we're gonna go take you to our favorite food spot.
Funny story as to actually how we found it. We literally just Googled street food, Krabi, Thailand, and this popped up about 5 minutes walk from where we're staying. So we came down this way kind of expecting to see like a little outdoor area, but it's literally a dirt parking lot with a bunch of street vendors in it. And it's so cool. And this is where we've honestly gotten some of the best Thai food we've ever had.
And the only food we've gotten.
And the only Thai food we've gotten in Krabi. So keep that in mind.
One fried yellow noodle. Chicken here? Yep.
One pad thai chicken.
Thai chicken.
And fried rice green curry. Yeah.
Chicken. And tempura shrimp.
And tempura shrimp.
So on a different day, we'll have to actually show you and explain to you how delicious this food is. However, we are really salty and just so exhausted from having spent all day in the island and trekking through the jungle and adventuring. So with that, I bid you adieu, but make sure that you click the subscribe button down below so you can follow the rest of our adventures around the world.
Make sure that you give us a like.
Share this video with your friends.
And we will see you on our next adventure.
Bye.